So I'm spending my Sunday at the beach. Pumpkin, say hello to YouTube again.
Hello YouTube, it's Tara. Nice day to I'm from South Africa.
Sugar. So I paid $1,000 for this boat ride, and when the representative brought me to the boat, imagine the boat belonged to my cousin. That gentleman there, the captain of the boat, is actually my cousin.
Run them black first class. Whole time with half those going money if you do the whole shot. Run them black. Demon.
Get them in active from early.
Oh my God.
Make sure no off tip to get them on them, you know. Man, them now listen up. And up to 500 and 2. So we got to work. 2 slices of dancing with rice and peas.
One thing me know, me not swing below, but me will she want feel
So we've just enrolled baby girl into school. Hopefully she starts next week. I filled out all the paperwork, I paid the fees, and once this is done, we're going to go and get your uniform, ain't we? Yeah? How are you feeling about going to school?
Good.
Do you like the school?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like what you've seen so far?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys soon, okay? Sit down, baby. I don't want to get no one else in the pictures. Good morning. Good morning, sweetheart. It's nice. Be careful. What do you see down there? Oh, streams. That's dangerous, isn't it? Come on, hold Mummy's hand. Let's go. Right, so baby girl is enrolled and she should hopefully start on Monday. What we're going to do now is pick up a route taxi, I believe, to go down to Ochi, and we're going to pick up her school uniform and some shoes. So join me on my shopping trip, guys. Let's do this. See you all in the next clip. Konoko Falls. So we're waiting for our taxi now, guys. Waiting for my taxi into Ochi. I have to get used to this. Out the roads, girls and boys. So, you're waiting to get measured for your uniform, baby? Says no. Don't worry, they can't see you. This is too small. Turn around, baby. Stand up. Too small for you. Let's try size 4. Come. Uniform fitting. Uniform fitting. What size are you, baby? Size 6. Turn around. Fix your face. Turn around. Lovely. Your hat? You get your uniform today. How are you feeling about going to school? All of the baby's uniform. So we've got your uniform, baby. We've got your dress, uniform, t-shirts. That's everything. There we have it, guys. My baby school uniform. Alright, so the actual uniform is this. She's got a white blouse and a dress to wear. Are you two okay?
Yeah!
You sure?
Yeah!
Alright, take the toothbrush out your mouth, please. Thank you. Right, this... Stop it, baby. This white skirt and blue shirt... Come here, mommy's hand. It's called the house uniform. Whatever, I'm not quite sure what the house uniform means. So hopefully when she starts school on Monday, I'll figure that out. I'll ask the head teacher and he'll let me know. And then we have her PE shorts. We have her PE shorts. The PE t-shirt wasn't available, so that's on order, and I'm expecting a call. So hopefully she doesn't have PE next week, because I doubt that will be ready by Monday. But yes, baby girl's going to school. Okay. Are you alright there?
Yes!
Naya, you right there?
I gotta go.
Baby girl's first day of school today. I've got 2 taxis to take. It's currently after 7. School starts at 8:20, and the Jamaican school rush is something else, because all the kids them have to take their taxis in the morning, and it takes a while for a taxi to stop. Okay, so baby girl, do you want to see baby girl? In your uniform? Show them your uniform. Lovely, isn't it? Okay, so we'll see you all at the school gates. Bye.
There might be a mosquito.
What do you say, baby?
I don't want to step in that water because that's where mosquitoes are.
Good girl. Right, there's a car coming. Out the way.
Okay.
Right. Walking down to get our second taxi. Come, we go this way. You ready? Baby girl,
going to school today. Good girl. Well, if I had what type of man is that? You're right. On our way to get taxi number 2. We've made it. We're in Ochi. We've got 45 minutes to spare. So,
From our biggest fan, from Westmoreland here, that Yeshiva, the biggest fan in the world, Westmoreland. Right here. This one says, good morning to understand, but I remember I'd like you to pick up my mom, Gloria, sister Claudette.
we have arrived safe and sound. We're half an hour early. Baby girl's excited. How do you feel about going to school, Pumpkin? Yeah? Okay, we're on the school grounds. Alright, so I'm going to stop filming now for safeguarding reasons. And you'll see baby girl when we pick her up. Come on. Okay, so baby and I have arrived. And it looks like we've arrived before the staff. Office is closed. No reception staff here. No principal here. So we're just waiting. This is something I've got to get used to. The difference. Bit of a culture shock this is, because in England, usually schools open, staff's there, receptionists are there. So just have to wait and see. But I'm happy I'm early. We're not late today. That is the aim, to be on time all day, every day. So yeah, guys. See you soon. I'm excited for my baby. I'm excited. School today.
Good, Mommy. Thank you.
Did you have a good first day?
Yes, Mommy.
Tell me what you did. Hello, Mommy's talking to the camera. What did you do today? What did you do today? Tell Mommy what you did today.
I had lots of fun.
You had lots of fun? Yeah, come here. Hold Mommy's hand. This is the road. Let Mommy know what work did you do today?
I learned all about the picture and the letter, but I don't know how to do the letter A, and I don't know how to do the apple or the alligator.
Okay. That's alright. You'll learn, okay?
And Mom.
So are you happy?
Mommy.
Yes.
I had a new friend.
What's your friend's name?
I don't know.
You don't know your friend's name?
No.
Can you look at the camera? You don't know your friend's name? Alright, what did you eat for lunch today?
I